Hello, today I'm gonna be creating an automatic photo sensor. For this project, I'm gonna be using a breadboard, a 9-volt battery, a LED light, a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Also, I'm gonna be using a photo sensor, a photo resistor. This is the most important for a project. This little piece is made out of cadmium sulfide. In addition to my Lego Warner and 3 jumper wires. That's pretty much it, what we're gonna be using for the project. Now it's the time to create our connection. As we can see over here, we have a red line, which is our high voltage source, and down here it's our blue line that it's gonna be our ground. So that's why I'm gonna be using these 2 red color jumper wires in order for me not to confuse. It's just something personal. The very first thing that we're gonna be doing is to connect our 1 kilo ohm resistor. We're gonna be connecting our resistor from the high voltage source, as we can see here from the above the red line, and we must connect this in a same column, in the same line. Okay, there it is. Now we're gonna be using our jumper wire. I'm gonna be using this one, and we have to connect it from the same line as our resistor is at. We're doing this because we're gonna be creating 2 lines. One is going to the left and one is going to the right. This is gonna be used for a left line, and this is gonna be where our LED light is gonna be located at. There it is. So here it is, our LED light. As you can see, it has a long leg and a short leg. This long leg is where the high voltage is located. So our short leg is gonna be grounded. So the high voltage must be in the same line as the jumper wire is, and the short leg must be grounded, as I'm doing it right here. There it is, as you can see. Now we're gonna be connecting our photosensor resistor. There it is. This one, differently from the LED light, doesn't matter which side you choose to be grounded, but what is a must is that one of the leg is in the same line as the resistor and as the wire jumper. This one must be at the same line as this. It doesn't matter if you plug it in here or here or here. It doesn't matter as long as it is on the same line. Next, we are connecting the other leg to the ground like this. So basically we already have our connection done. It's like this. Right now we're gonna be creating our power supply connection. In order to get our power, we have this Lego Uno, which is gonna be connected to our 9-volt battery, which is our actual power supply. And it's gonna be connected by this wire to our battery. So first, as we can read from here, we have our 5-volt, which is gonna be where I'm gonna be connecting my red wire. As I told you before, I'm using it just personally, not to confuse the wires. This is gonna be connected to our high voltage, and in addition, as you can see here, it says our ground. We have 2 spots, so we can use whatever whatever spot. I'm gonna be using this one as long as it's in the ground. Now going back to our breadboard, remember our red wire is our high voltage, so I'm gonna be connecting it to our high voltage, which is up here, and then we have the blue wire, which is our ground, so it's gonna be connected over here to our ground, right? Now that we already completed our connection, it's time to see if it actually works. Here it's our 9-volt battery, and we connect it. So it does, it works. The main objective for this project was creating an automatic photo sensor. So we had to test our project, and we had to approach our little photoresistor to a light source in order to see if this light turns off. And as you can see, if I have my battery connected to our project, this light is on, so there's no way that I can cheat on this. And here we go. As you can see, if we approach our set photoresistor into the light source, our little LED light goes off, and as we put it away, it turns on again. So it works.